Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control system, dual exhaust, remote trunk release, navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, steering wheel audio controls, push button start. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.